Hello everybody, today I have my Beebeecraft design package for May to share with you. My goodness, May already. And the first thing I need to show you is some trim. I'll just take it out of the package because this one's really noisy. So this lovely trim here is a tulle trim. It's a dotted pleated lace trim. And let's just show you. I don't want to get it out of its roll because there's quite a lot of it here. There's 4 yards. I will put on the screen what that is in meters. So you've got 2 layers. You've got this beige layer and then a black layer. The black layer is not dotted, but the beige layer has black polka dots and gold polka dots on it as well, and so it looks darker when it's all together like that, but if you've just got it like that, it looks like that, which I think is wonderful because I'm wanting to make like a Victoriana kind of journal with bits of black in it. So this will be a lovely addition to that journal, just subtle black, not black, but you know, bits of black. So that's lovely, and that's I think it's 3.5 inches. Yes. So that's the first thing that I received. And the second one, oh my goodness, this one. This is a crystal rhinestone trim. It's on a hot fix ribbon. I'm not quite sure what that is. I think they're like glued on. It's 20 millimeters wide, which is about 3/4 of an inch. And you get 2 yards of it. Oh, it tells me the meterage. It's 1.8 meters of that one. And I have something quite interesting in mind to make with this, something that I saw on a house tour video quite some time ago, I think last year sometime, and I've always had it in the back of my mind. So I'm going to attempt to make what I saw with this. So that will be a fun project. The next thing I got were these ribbons, and you may recognize them. These lovely ribbons. I'll just take them out. Okay, so here we are. We have our 3 different ribbons, the little flower trim ribbons. I have this in beige already, and I really, really like it. So when I spotted that they had colours, I thought they might be fun, you know, to use in different ways. So I have it in the pink, the blue, and the green. In these ribbons, you get 20 yards of the ribbon, and once again, almost 3/4 of an inch. A couple of centimeters there. So they're a lovely addition. The next thing I got, these are these lovely chiffon fringe rolls, and they're floral. Aren't they beautiful? I've often got the little chiffon rolls because they're great for ties on journals and ruffles and things like that. But these ones are floral. I think they're ever so pretty. And in the 3 different colours. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? That's the blue. The blue's kind of got a mustardy gold colour with it. Then you've got the beige with a tan colour, and the pink with it's a peachy pink, I guess, with the darker tones as well. Just beautiful. So they're going to be lovely to be able to use in my journals as well, and other projects, of course. And the next thing I got was this lovely trim. And this is 20 yards. It's called Ethnic Style Embroidery polyester leaf ribbon, a jacquard ribbon. I spotted this, and I've got one very similar, but it's a wide one like that in exactly the same pattern, and I thought it would be lovely to have that as well. So pretty. I really like the little trims, ribbon trims they have at Beebeecraft. I managed to get quite a few of them, and I really like them. They're very nice to use in projects, whether that's a sewing project or a paper project, you know, or a crafting project. They're just really lovely. So that's the green and gold leaf jacquard trim. Really nice. The next thing is, ooh, now this is something a bit different. This is, oh, let me just find an end or something here. And there's a lot of it. This is piping filler. It's 109 yards, so this is going to last me forever, I would think, unless I do an awful lot of piping. It is, what does it say? It's 3 millimeters. It's a black welt cord. I could only find it in the black. Otherwise, I would have got a lighter color. But I got what, you know, they had on offer, and I think it's going to be perfect for what I want to use it for. Just the right size. So I did get that. Put that to one side. Then I also got some fabric. This is the first fabric that I got. Just let me get it out of the bag. Okay, so this is the first fabric that I got, and this is, it's a flower pattern embroidery cotton fabric. And it doesn't tell me how big it is, but I will put it on the screen for you. It's not a thick fabric, as you can see. It's just a nice lightweight cotton fabric, but it's got a raised, you know, the embroidery is raised, which is really nice. So that's going to be wonderful. That's the pattern there. Just leaves. Bring it up a bit closer so you can see it if you like. There we go. Really pretty. And that's in a cream colour. And the last thing that I got is another fabric. Let me open it. Okay, so this is the other fabric. Once again, it's a cotton fabric. It's thicker than the cream fabric. It's quite a nice thickness. And this is called a flower pattern cotton fabric in olive green. And I have a special little project I'm going to be making with these two fabrics for one of my projects this month. So it'll be a sewing project, so that'll be nice. So I hope you'll join me in the videos where I'm using these lovely fabrics and goodies. So I won't tell you what it is yet, so make sure it turns out properly first. So here we go. These are the lovely products I received from Beebeecraft for the month of May. I will be making 2 projects over the next few weeks using these lovely products along with other things as well. And I hope you'll join me in those videos. I have a link to Beebeecraft in the description box below, along with a lovely coupon code if you're interested in anything over there. So take care, everybody. Bye.